Hi friends, today we are visiting a semi-furnished three-bedroom property in very post locality of South Delhi Defense Colony. This is the dining space of this property and entrance of the house. This is 2 years old property, northeast facing, around 400 square yard. This is the drawing room. AC is there, lot of natural light. It is a corner property, so it has lot of natural light, big windows, front and side balcony, very big balconies. This is the front balcony. Look at the size of the balcony, very big balcony. There is a fan in the balcony also, and there is a lot of greenery around this house. Front balcony. This is the another balcony at the side, and this is another view of the drawing room. Very spacious Italian marble flooring, false ceiling, very beautiful interior. Daikin ACs in entire house. There are 2 ACs in this hall. Now I am taking you to the first bedroom, crossing through the dining space. This is the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom with an attached bathroom. It has a lot of storage space, lot of natural light. AC is there, fan is there, beautiful false ceiling, spacious bedroom, and lot of storage space here. This is the attached bathroom with the first bedroom. It has the latest fittings. Shower area is separate. Exhaust fan is there in the bathroom. There is a storage space here in this bathroom. Another view of the first bedroom. Now I'm taking you to the second bedroom. Second bedroom is actually a master bedroom. It has a front balcony and has lot of storage space. It has lot of natural light. There are 3 cupboards in this bedroom, 2 cupboards inside the bedroom, and there is a cupboard inside the bathroom also. False ceiling, very spacious bedroom, and it has this front balcony, very big balcony, and lot of greenery around this house. And especially this master bedroom has a very nice view of outside greenery. So this is the attached washroom with the master bedroom. Exhaust fan is there, separate shower area. Place to keep towel. A lot of storage space here. All latest fitting. This is the cupboard in the bathroom. Bathroom is also quite spacious. This is another view of the master bedroom. It has 2 car reserve parking. It is second floor with the lift, but first floor is also going to vacant in few days. So you will have the options to choose first or second floor, anyone. See, there is a lot of natural light in this. And this house has a 24-hour security guard. Now I'm taking you to the kitchen.
Fully modular kitchen.
This is fully modular and fully loaded kitchen. It has a gas pipeline, chimney is there, hob is there. A lot of storage space in this kitchen.
Gas pipeline is also there.
This kitchen also has a attached balcony where washing machine is kept. This is the microwave and oven. There is a dishwasher here. This is the dishwasher. RO is also there. Geyser is also there. Double door fridge, around 700 liter fridge. This is the attached balcony with the kitchen. Washing machine is kept in this balcony, and there is still lot of space left. Another view of the kitchen. Kitchen is also very spacious and it has lot of storage space. Kitchen also has a lot of natural light also. Now I am taking you to the third bedroom. This is the third bedroom with attached washroom, and it has a balcony also. It also has a lot of natural light. This is corner house, so that's why it has a more natural light than the other houses. This is the attached washroom. It also has a lot of storage space inside the washroom. Everything is well planned. There is a place to keep your towel, keep your toiletries, everything is well taken care of. Geyser is there, exhaust fan is also there. Bathroom is also spacious, separate shower area. There is a beautiful park just 2-minute walk from the house. If you stand in the balcony, you can see the park. And also there are a lot of trees around the house, so you have a very nice view of the outside. This is the balcony with the third bedroom. It also has a lot of natural light. Lot of storage space in this bedroom also. I will show you the cupboards. AC is also there. These are the cupboards in the third bedroom. Lot of storage space here.